Hello, little friend. This is your safe place. Today, we'll switch on a superpower that lives inside you: kindness. It's gentle, it's brave, and it changes the world, starting with you. Ready to begin? Imagine you have a kindness button in your chest, a tiny glowing light. When you press it, your words get softer, your body relaxes, and your heart grows warm. We're going to learn how to press it anytime, before school, on the playground, at bedtime, anytime. And by the end, you'll say, "I am kind." Find a comfy spot. Sit tall but relaxed. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. If you like, close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. This is your kindness practice. You're safe here. Kindness means caring for yourself, for others, and for the world around you. It looks like gentle words, listening ears, helping hands, and brave hearts. Kindness is not about being perfect. It's about trying again when we make mistakes and choosing care even when things feel hard. Let's wake up your kindness button with a breath. Inhale through your nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine a warm light growing in your chest. Hold for 1. Keep the light safe. Exhale through your mouth for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Send the light to your face, shoulders, tummy. Let's do 3 rounds together. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Great job. Feel the glow? That's your kindness energy. Repeat after me, out loud or in your mind. I am kind. My words can help. My heart is gentle and brave. I can choose kindness even when it's hard. I bring calm wherever I go.
Turn on your kindness radar. Eyes to notice who needs a hand. Ears to listen with care. Heart to choose gentle actions. Today, let your radar beep when you spot a chance to help, even a tiny one. Before you speak, let your words walk through 3 gates. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? If your words pass the 3 gates, say them with confidence. If not, breathe and try new words. A. Before school. You feel nervous. A classmate looks worried too. Kindness button, press. Say, want to walk together? Or, we can do this. B. Playground mix-up. 2 kids want the same ball. Kindness button, press. Say, let's take turns. Or, timer for 2 minutes. C. Sibling spill. Juice on the floor. Oh no. Kindness button, press. Say, "It's okay. Let's clean it up together." You're not just being nice, you're being strong and helpful. That's kindness.
Sometimes we're kind to everyone except ourselves. Self-kindness sounds like, I made a mistake, and I can try again. Try this tiny practice. Hand on heart, whisper, I'm learning. I'm growing. I'll try again. That's called self-compassion, and it makes your kindness button shine brighter. Close your eyes if you like. Be a gentle explorer. Forehead and eyebrows soften. Jaw and mouth relax. Maybe a tiny smile. Shoulders lift to ears and drop. Hands wiggle and shake off tension. Belly pat gently. Thanks for breathing with me. Feet press toes into the floor. I am steady. Repeat with me. I am brave enough to be gentle. I listen with my whole heart. I fix it when I make a mistake. I can start small and still make a difference. Kindness grows wherever I go. You have 4 superpowers. Listening, eyes looking, ears open, mouth quiet. Noticing, who could use help? Helping, can I carry that? Want to play with me? Courage, kindness when it's not the easy choice. Pick one superpower to practice today. Everyone makes mistakes. Kind kids know how to repair. Stop, pause, and breathe. Name, I interrupted you. Sorry, I'm sorry. Make it right. How can I help? Or, let's try again. Repair turns oops into I'm learning. Kindness is also protecting. If someone is being unkind, say something safe like, that's not okay. Ask a trusted adult for help. Find a friend and stay together. Kindness online matters too. Pause before you post. Read your words through the 3 gates. Send emojis and messages that lift people up. Tell an adult if something feels wrong. Your kindness button works on screens too. Stand up if you can. Inhale, hands to your heart. Receive kindness. Exhale, arms open wide. Give kindness. Do this 5 times slowly. Feel the warm circle of giving and receiving. Close your eyes. Imagine a quiet lake. Drop one tiny pebble of kindness into the water. A smile, a thank you, a helping hand. Watch the ripples travel across the whole lake, reaching people you don't even know. Your small kindness makes big waves. Take 3 gentle breaths as the ripples grow. Choose one mission for today. Secret smile. Smile at 3 people. Thank you note. Draw or write a tiny thank you. Helper hands. Tidy a space without being asked. Brave invitation. Invite someone who's alone to play. Kind words. Give one true compliment. Small acts, huge heart. Think of 3 things you're grateful for today. They can be tiny. A cozy blanket, a silly joke, your favorite snack. Whisper them to your heart. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gratitude is kindness to your own life. Repeat with a smile. I am kind to myself. I am kind to others. My words help. My hands help. I make the world softer. I am a kindness hero. Today, you found your kindness button, practiced kind words and actions, learned to repair mistakes, and felt your heart light grow. One last breath in and a long breath out. Say it with me. I am kind. I choose kindness. I share kindness. Thank you for practicing with me. Come back anytime you need your kindness button. Cheda, you are safe.